Hello everyone, my name is Tiffany. I'm a Tipsy Artist. Spring is here and we are celebrating by painting some beautiful wine glasses. We're going to be painting blue bonnets today. So this is the wine glass that comes with our awesome kit. And let's go ahead and talk about all the supplies that we have here first. So I've got my plate with my paint loaded up ready to go. And I've got my brushes nearby, and then I've got and then also water. And right there was a very simple, fun, easy project. All right, so for the most part on this project, and I want to that's good. I'm going to be using my little bit brush quite a bit for this. So my little brushes that I love for this project. Little buddy, a little flat top, or a little bit. Get started with. Sometimes the brushes are, mine's used, I've used a lot. Love them. But sometimes when they're new, they're very stiff. So I always like to start with a little swim. So we're going to take a little swim, a little bath here, and loosen the brush up a little bit. Go ahead and dry off the excess water. And then make sure you get all of the handles. Sometimes that water will run down the side of the brush, and sometimes that can create a water run onto what you're painting. So go ahead and dry it off completely. And then now our brush is okay, so the very first step that we're going to do, we're going to mix up the beautiful blue that will be used for the flowers. So I've got sometimes I've got them in paint pots, or sometimes I've got them in tubes here nearby. But this is going to be a primary cyan blue. And then we've also got some titanium white. All right, so I've got those ready to go here on my plate. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of touch into this blue a little bit here, get the brush all loaded up. And then I'm going to pull a little touch of white in here too. So I'm going to touch into that white just a little bit. Loaded up tip of the brush here. And what's really fun is a nice little light touch on the side of the glass really provides a lot of the shine. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take the glass. It's so interesting. So it's so different than my classes. So I'm like, oh gosh, I don't want to do all this work and then go back and look at this. Take later and go, oh, I wasn't using my nose way over here. All right, so I am in the middle of the frame. We're good. So I'm going to be going ahead and doing little like diagonal pulls down. So let's start right here and just do a little pull down, like a little gentle pull, slight diagonal pull to that. And then here, and a little bit of pressure, and then lift off with a light hand. And we're going to do that again, just a little repeat here. And I'm touching into the blue and the white. We're going to do that all the way down. And as you do this, you want a little bit more like a darker blue in it, and touch into a little bit more. A little bit darker, so touch into a bit more of that pure dark blue. Again, light and let's go ahead and do another little section over here. Slight diagonal, slight pull down, and then lift off the ribbon. All right, so that gives you a really good idea. You can do that all the way around the side of the glass. All right, now I'm going to rinse out, and I'm going to dry. So clean, dry, a little bit brush. Then I'm going to go into just that pure white. There is nice load up there. That's nice little dollop. Take out the brush. I'm going to make sure and be generous with the amount of paint that you have on your brush. Don't be shy with it. And then just do a little touch right up there at the top. Then one here in the center. And then another one just kind of off to the side. Ooh, that was a little too generous. That was scary. And then a little hole. And there's a little flower up there at the top. One down. So it's absolutely beautiful. And if you want, you can pull into this more white. Soft blend into it. I'm going to leave this one as just more of that blue. And I'm going to come in with a bit more of the white, firm pressed. It does a little bit of a soft blend into what we've already painted. So it gives you another look. Way to go, good job. Okay, now we're going to work on the green part of the base. So I've rinsed out, and I've got some of the green paint and our white. So this is the Cadmium Green, and then our Titanium white. And I'm going to start back with my little brush. And I always add a little touch of white to my The reason why is the green has a tendency to be very translucent. So I always pre-mix that together. This will be really good. I've done mixing this. I want to make sure you're not right there. So make sure same step, the leaf pattern has the same shape as the little petals of the flower. So we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to do soft little pulls here at the base. And start on that second one. And if you want, you could continue the leaf. Firm press. So you do a swirl as you pull it into the pressure. If you want a bit of variety with your green, take a little bit of It's that simple. We're going to take that all the way around. So again, very fun, easy project. I'm going to turn this where you can see. And that's our blue bonnet line pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and provide a link to y'all in the description below to what a is. But also you see this is so easy. If you like to do this at home, painting a lot, and you have all the supplies. So, cheers! Y'all have a wonderful day today. Enjoy your day. My sweet little doggie, you can probably hear her nearby. She says hello to Miss Ira. But y'all have a beautiful day. We'll see you soon. Toodles.